Hello friends, this is Shivakami. Welcome to a new video. Today we have come to a multi-cuisine casual dining restaurant located in JP Nagar, Bangalore. It has one of the best ambience with greenery surrounded. Also at the entrance, it has a room of play area for children which keeps kids engaged. So right now, what you're looking at is Mango Tree. Here is where we have come to have dinner. Before getting into this, let's have a look at Mango Greens, which is to the left side from the entrance. It comes with unlimited vegan buffet, costs $3.99 per person plus GST. So the menu starts with fruit salads, lauki halwa, semia payasam, gajar halwa, lemon coriander soup, cream of corn soup. They have 12 varieties of ice creams including vanilla and chocolate. They have chaat items too, starting with samosa chaat, dahi papri chaat and pani puri. They have some amazing desserts too, starting with chocolate mousse, fruit custard, banana pancakes, honey chips, and lanja. Now we are back again to Mango Tree. It is calm and has very good ambience with huge trees surrounded. It has unlimited food and drinks, which is a new menu added to this restaurant, costs $5.99 per person plus GST. And the fun fact is they have started this unlimited menu with us, and we were the first most ever to experience it. This menu is live for everyone from 23rd of September 2019. They even have a la carte menu. They serve authentic North Indian, tandoor, continental and Chinese cuisines with wide choice of wine and alcohol menu. I have attached those menus at the end of this video. So now let's get into food items. varieties of appetizers, includes both veg and non-veg. These are one of the best in the whole menu. There was no starter that we didn't like. This is chicken tawa pulao with Malaysian fish curry and green chicken curry. This is prawn masala. Tasty chicken hakka noodles, mutton rogan josh with steamed rice. Finally, we had 4 desserts: gajar halwa, gulab jamun, vanilla ice cream, and fried chocolate cake ice cream. So this is the view of parking lot. It's spacious. So here I have added the drinks menu and a la carte menu. It took away time and effort for this video. Leave a comment if you had ever been here or tried after watching this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you and see you in the next video.